The IT department has a mission-critical role to ensure system uptime and functionality in support of business operations. However, in many organizations, limited IT staffing resources and bandwidth are a common challenge. Given resource limitations, IT administrators need the ability to efficiently troubleshoot or access servers without traveling to remote locations. KVM and KMMs from Dell Technologies are the trusted solutions to provide visibility and control anywhere and anytime. With our innovative KVM and KMM equipment, you can access over 1,000 servers regardless of location or density, making server management convenient, flexible, and more efficient. Remote access and management capabilities increase productivity and save IT administrators time. To learn more about KVM and KMM solutions, talk to your Dell Technologies sales representative or visit delltechnologies.com/etc.